Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Istiqomah with NPM 2241121 from Management 22 B class. Here I will discuss of budgeting. Capital budgeting. Importance of capital budgeting. Effective capital budgeting ensures successful allocation of financial resources toward projects with the highest potential for long-term profitability and growth. Capital budgeting, also known as investment, appraisal, or expenditure decision, is a critical finance management process used by business and organizations to evaluate, select, and prioritize potential long-term investment projects. The importance of capital budgeting cannot be overstated as it has a profound impact on the financial health, growth, and overall successful of a company. In summary, capital budgeting is a certain critical financial management process that plays a vital role in the long-term success and sustainability of a company. It helps ensure that investment decisions are well informed, aligned with strategy, objective, and ultimately contribute to the financial well-being and growth of the organization. Next, key components of capital budgeting. 1. Investment analysis. Thoroughly evaluating potential investment projects to assess their viability, feasibility, and alignment with strategic goals. 2. Cash flow forecasting. Accurately projecting cash inflows and outflows over the project lifespan to estimate profitability and finance sustainability. 3. Risk assessment. Identify and analyzing the risk associated with the investment project, including market volatility and regulatory uncertainties. 4. Decision making. Using comprehensive evaluating criteria to make informed decision regarding whether or not to proceed with an investment. Methods for evaluating investment project. 1. Payback period. Calculating the time required to recover the initial investment by analyzing the project anticipated cash inflow. Formula: payback period. Initial investment per annual cash flow objective. Objective is determine how long it will take to recoup the initial investment with the result cash flow. 2. Net present value or NPV. Assessing the project's profitability by discounting future cash flows to determine the present value of the investment. Formula: NPV annual cash flow per discount rate. Initial investment objective is measure the present value of all future cash flows after taking into account the discount rate. 3. Internal rate of returns. Examining the project potential returns on investment by identifying the discount rate at which the NPV is 0. This is the discount rate that makes the NPV equal to 0. You need to use numerical calculation or tables to find the IRR. 4. Profitability index. PI, measuring the relationship between the present value or of expense, cash inflows, and the initial investment. Formula PI NPV per initial investment objective is so the extent to which the project produces higher value than the initial investment. Next, risk in capital budgeting. 1. Marketing volatility. Fluctuations in market condition can impact the financial success of investment project and create uncertainty. 2. Technological obsolescence. Rapid advancement in technology can render an investment project obsolete, leading to potential financial losses. 3. Regulatory change. Change in government regulation or policies can introduce new complications requirement that affect project viability. Next, source of funds for capital budgeting. Equity financial. Equity financing. Raising capital by selling ownership shares in the company to investors, providing long-term funding for investment projects. Debt financing. Borrowing funds from external sources, such as banks or bondholders, with an obligation to repay the principal amount along with interest. Internal financing. Allocating a portion of retained earnings or profit generated by the company for investment in new projects. Capital budgeting process. 1. Identify investment opportunities. Identify potential projects based on strategy goals, market research, and customer demands. 2. Evaluate project. Analysis earth project, financial viability, payback period, NPV, IRR, and risk factors. 3. Make capital budgeting decisions. Based on the evaluating, decide whether to accept, reject, or modify an investment project. 4. Implement and monitor. Allocate necessary resources, track project progress, and measure performance against project outcomes. Next, capital budgeting cycle. 1. Planning. Identify investment needs and develop long-term financial strategies. 2. Proposal. Prepare details project proposals, including cost estimates and expense benefit. 3. Review and approval. Evaluate proposals, considering financial feasibility and alignment with company goals. 4. Implementation. Allocate funds, execute project, and monitor progress. 5. Evaluation. Analyze project customers, compare actual result with projection, and make necessary adjustment. Next, challenge in capital budgeting. Uncertain future cash flow. Predicting future cash flow accurately can be challenging due to changing market conditions and unforeseen circumstances. 2. Subjective evaluation. The evaluation of investment projects often involves a subjective judgment, introducing potential bias in decision making. 3. Opportunity cost. Causing on 1. project offer another means foregoing potential benefit from the unselected project. 4. Post-project evaluation. Assessing the actual performance of investment project can be complex, hindering accurate evaluation and leaning for future decision.